Hi everybody, this is Craig Kreskis. I'm a partner solution architect here at Microsoft, and this video is titled Sales and Inventory Forecast, part of the Business Central pre-sales demo workshop. I want to say thank you so much for your time and participation in learning more about some of the AI and machine learning capabilities that are part of Business Central and how you can infuse that into your upcoming prospect conversations and software demonstrations. Let's take a look, and first, I always like to share with you just some information that you want to drill into and learn a little bit more about something that may not be included in this video. You can always come out to docs.microsoft.com under the Business Central library and learn more about this first-party application or this first-party extension inside of Business Central and how you can connect to, say, for example, the Azure AI experience. Now, we take care of some of that setup already for you, and so I'm going to show you what that looks like. When you open up your demonstration or your trial experience, you'll select on the items page, and you will see a blue ribbon right on the forefront of our page, right above the items. And if you select on the Setup Scheduling Forecast, this is a one-time setup. I accept the terms, and then go ahead and select OK. And then from here, depending on which view you have of your list page for the items, you want to open up the information pane, and you'll see here you have a forecast app, and the forecast chart is available, and it reflects the current inventory levels that I have. So you can see here for the first month I'm positive, but obviously if I don't take any action, I am going to be in negative inventory. And with the drop down, you can switch or toggle between the inventory forecast and the sales forecast. Now, you'll notice that that tells me an even more complete story in that I'm going to have strong sales, but I don't have enough inventory or to supply that demand. So without having to go much further on the screen, we've built the ability for an end user to either create a purchase order or a purchase invoice directly right here within this extension. So I create the purchase order, and then adding to the intelligence, while this is maybe a little bit further beyond in the sales and inventory forecast, notice that Business Central is telling me that if I'm going to order from this vendor, there are some other items that I usually order. I might want to add that to this document, right? So this could help in terms of maybe getting more favorable terms with this purchase order with my vendor. So again, I want to say thank you so much for being a part of this video. This is called the Sales and Inventory Forecast Extension. I've got on the screen again, if you want to learn a little bit more, you want to get a little bit more technical and deeper, I encourage you to review this page. Thank you so much. Again, my name is Craig, and I look forward to seeing you again on a video real soon.